Hi everyone. So welcome back to my vlog, to our vlog. So we are back here sa hotel, no? And we were able to buy some stuff kanina sa baba. And we have here is the oyster omelette. Okay, yung mga nabili natin kanina, the oyster omelette. Okay. And then, wow, yung unang-una natin nabili, yung tilapia, my gosh, massive guys, massive. I mean, nakakabili ako dito ganito sa Pilipinas, but hindi siya ganito kalaki. I mean, look at my hands guys, ang laki na ng kamay ko, but this is more, sa katawan pa lang niya itself. Okay, so napaka-juicy nga, meron pa mga drapings. And then another thing pa is, they gave us this gulay. So technically guys, para siyang and then meron siyang noodles na binigay si ate kanina na nagtitinda. And then they gave us this sauce, green sauce na makikita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan. So this is like the green sauce, okay? And then meron pa silang binigay para dun sa omelette, this one. So I'll try to explain, no, kung ano ba yung lasa ng mga nabili natin, na haul natin kanina. So okay, without further ado, let's start. So smell test. Okay, so yung green sauce nila, pag inamoy mo siya, nangingibabaw yung amoy ng wansoy. So, or cilantro. So, kung hindi kayo fan ng cilantro, you might not like it, no? But technically, that's why we're here, to experience the culture, to experience their food. So, why not, di ba? So, they gave us like cilantro as well, ni ate. And then, I think this is Thai basil. I haven't, pero amoy Thai basil talaga siya. So I assume that this is a Thai basil and some lettuce, I think. So parang technically ang gagawin natin dito is para siyang isa samji, no? Samji sa atin. So let's start. Tikman natin yung pagkain nila. I'll start with the fish. Okay. So yung fish nila guys, inano nila eh, in-smothered nila into no, parang salt baked siya. Binudburan nila ng napakaraming asin yung balat. Okay, so I assume na hindi to ganun kaalat. I assume but we will have a taste test kung hindi nga ba siya ganun kaalat. But technically guys, with the looks of it, hindi siya maalat. So I'll get napaka-juicy pa niya, oh. Guys, oh, napaka-juicy niya, as you can see. Ayan. So okay, let's have a taste. Have a taste muna na just the fish itself. Well, it's a regular tilapia, grilled tilapia, pero mangingibabaw dito yung niya, mangingibabaw dito yung pagka grilled part niya. Okay, again, tulad na as expected, just like kung nakakain na kayo ng grilled fish before, or ng salt grilled or salt baked na salmon. Hindi siya hindi siya maalat, do na parang binred siya into a total salt, pero hindi siya pa rin maalat. The same with this, hindi siya ganun kaalat. Actually, wala nga siyang kaalat-alat. Meron siyang konting alat, but saktong-sakto lang siya na penetrate doon sa loob. And guys, again, fresh ang lasa. It's just like it's been caught kaninang umaga and then they just grilled it right now. And then, obvious naman kasi juicy pa yung sa loob niya. Hindi siya dry. Okay, so I'll have another taste. And then, yeah, as expected. Now, let's put yung kanilang green sauce na may wansoy. There. Technically elevated yung lasa niya, guys. Sarap niya. Grabe. Out of 10, 9 out of 10. I'm not exaggerating things here, guys. You will able to taste yung hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Okay, sakto lang. The sweetness is there. The wansoy taste is definitely above it. The garlic it's there as well. Malalasan mo pa rin yung garlic niya. And maasim-asim siya. So, it's a combination of savor and sweetness, no? Hindi siya nawawala doon. And yeah, I'll have another munch of it. Definitely. I can eat it all day. And by the looks of it, guys, dito pa lang sa sauce niya. So, since here, guys, I can say na kahit hindi nyo gusto yung lasa ng wansoy, specifically for me, I created guacamole in the past, no? Nilagyan ko siya ng wansoy because it's part of the ingredient, pero hindi ko siya masyado nagustuhan. Kahit ako na yung nagluto nun, hindi ko siya gaano nagustuhan because of yung lasa ng wansoy. I'm not really sure kung na-overpower ko yung lasa ng wansoy during that time, but definitely hindi ko siya nagustuhan. But this one is a perfect combination. It's a perfect combination. Now, we will try, no, to add, parang gawin natin siyang samji. Mag-samji tayo ngayon, guys. Okay. So, I'll take a good bite of it. Paano ba hindi ako marunong mag-samji, guys? Pag nagsasamji kami sa bahay, ayan, si Camille ang gumagawa na ng samji ko. So, I'll just had to add yun. Okay. Now, I'll get a part of the fish. Okay. So, there. Dagdagan natin ng konti. Okay. Now, we will add yung kanyang green sauce. So, there you are, guys. In. Okay. So, the traditional samji ng Pinoy. Oh, let's add, just one Thai basil. And then, wansoy. Why not? That's why it's there. There's a purpose kung bakit siya andyan. So, why not add a piece of it? And let's see. Sabi nila, don't talk when your mouth is full, but di ko mapigilan, guys. First bite, it's a minty taste. Ang sarap niya. A lot of flavor na naglalaro sa bibig. Specifically nung inad ko yung wansoy. Yung wansoy hindi siya naglasang wansoy. Naglasa siyang mint. Okay, napaka fresh na sa bibig. I mean, I love it. I'm loving it. Fish alone kanina, I rated it from 1 to 10. I rated it 9. Now, with the lettuce, with the wansoy, and I think Thai basil to. I'm not really sure, guys, ha. I'm not familiar with the Thai basil. But the look of it, mukha siya naman siyang Thai basil. Yeah, amoy siyang Thai basil. But it's a minty taste. I think it's a mint, but guys, sa mga nakakaalam nito, please let me know comment down below kung tama ba yung pinagsasabi ko. Kung mint to, then definitely there's a mint taste to it. I haven't tasted any Thai basil at all. But, yeah. Guys, it's amazing. You should try this when you get here in Bangkok. No? Now, itry naman natin yung ano nila, kanilang oyster omelette. Meron nito sa Yawarat, so hindi pa kami nakakapunta ng Yawarat Road. There is one restaurant doon that really is, or actually it's a street vendor lang siya, no? But they serve like a good oyster omelette. We haven't tasted yet. Dito pa lang siya, but based on doon sa mga napanood ko, the same format lang siya, eggs with the oyster on it, and then they added, no? Okay, let's have a try. So, okay, mouthful of it. Okay. Amazing, guys. This is good enough. Kung pamatay gutom ang habol mo, you can go with this. No? It's a 200 baht, but hey, I can't complain kasi ang dami nung nilagay nilang oyster. I think isa siyang malaking lalagyan. I think mga nasa 20 pieces din siguro to, or 15 pieces ng oyster yung nilagay nila. And yun, meron siyang bean sprouts. Pero guys, yung bean sprouts na pala nila dito, para siyang labanos. Yung lasa niya, para siyang labanos. Hindi siya tulad nung sa atin, yung mga nakakain natin sa lumpia, na nilalagay nila na bean sprout doon, na toge. Hindi siya ganun yung lasa niya, ibang lasa to, guys. I think dahil maliliit yung sa atin, hindi pa siya ganun ka-sweet yung taste niya. But definitely, this one is elevated talaga. Now, let's have a taste dun sa binigay nila na sauce kanina. Okay. Okay. It's a sweet and sour sauce. Okay. May hinahanap ako dito eh. May hinahanap akong lasa niya. I think one thing I'm looking for sa lasa na to is yung wok hei. For those people na may hilig kumain sa mga Chinese food, you know what I'm saying, or you know what I mean when I say na wok hei. So, yun yung kulang dito. If meron siyang wok hei, hey, it's amazing. Well, this is good. This one, just here alone. Yes. So, yun guys, yung egg, of course, lasang egg pa rin siya. But then again, yung egg na ginagamit nila dito, it's the brown egg. I can compare na mas masarap yung brown eggs compare sa white eggs na ginagamit natin sa Pinas. Me, personally, I use the brown eggs. Before, pag bumibili ako sa palengke, no, yung mga white eggs lang, parang hindi ako ganun nasa-satisfy doon sa lasa niya, no? Parang may bitin doon sa pagka-yolk niya. So I tried using brown eggs, which is very organic siya. Nakakabili lang ako ng sa Landers. Yun, which is pag kinain mo siya guys, mas mafe-feel mo talaga yung pagkalasa ng itlog. And this is the same thing na nalalasahan ko dito sa itlog nila dito, because they use brown eggs, right? So yun guys, rating dito sa oyster omelette na nabili namin sa labas. It's a good 7 out of 10. No? Pwede siya pamatid gutom kung nagising ka na madaling araw and then you're craving for something to eat. You can definitely go downstairs and you can grab a quick oyster omelette. Yeah. So yun guys, thank you so much for joining me dito sa food review natin dito, na haul natin kanina sa baba. And watch out for our next video, which is i-review naman natin dito yung some of the Lay's brand. It's like this one. Lay's brand. Yan. I-review natin to on our next video. Okay? Thank you guys and have a good day.